Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the TRB and TNEB previous year questions and answers for analog and digital communication subject. Let us see the first question. A broadcast radio transmitter radiates 5 kilowatts when the modulating percentage is 80. How much of this is carrier power? See, in this question, total power is given 5 kilowatts and the modulating percentage is 80. It is given. By using these two, we have to calculate the carrier power. If we know the formula, we can easily calculate the carrier power. So we write the given values. Total power is PT. It is 5 kilowatts given in the problem. Then modulating frequency, it means that modulating index is given. It is 80%, which is equal to 0.8. By using these two, we have to calculate the carrier power. We know the formula for total power. It's nothing but PT is equal to Pc into 1 plus m squared by 2. So this is the formula. PT is given. It's nothing but 5 kilohertz. So 5 into 10 power 3, which is equal to, we are going to calculate the value of carrier power 1 plus modulating index is 0.8. So this is equal to Pc into 1 plus divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to Pc into 1 plus 0.32, isn't it? 5 into 10 power 3 is equal to 1.32 Pc. Therefore, Pc is equal to 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 1.32. So by solving this, we'll be getting 3.8 kilowatts. So the carrier power is 3.8 kilowatts. So the answer is 3.8 kilowatts. Then the next question is, transponders are only transmitter in the satellite, only receiver in the satellite, both transmitter and receiver combination in the satellite, none of the above. We are all familiar. What is transponders? It's nothing but both transmitter and receiver combination in the satellite, isn't it? So the option C is the right answer. Both transmitter and receiver combination in the satellite is nothing but transponders. Next question. The bandwidth required for an FM signal with a modulating frequency of 2 kHz and a maximum deviation of 10 kHz as given by Carson's rule. First we write the given values. What are all the given values? FM signal with a modulating frequency of 2 kHz. Okay, modulating frequency is given. It is nothing but a FM. It is 2 kHz. Maximum deviation of 10 kHz. It's nothing but a del F. So del F and FM is given. By using this, we can easily calculate the Carson value. FM is 2 kilohertz, then del F. Maximum frequency deviation is 10 kilohertz. We know that Carson rule, bandwidth is equal to 2 into del F plus F, which is equal to 2 into Del F is 10 plus Fm is 2. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24 kilohertz. So bandwidth for FM is 24 kilohertz. So the answer is option D, 24 kilohertz. Then the next question, in a PCM system, the maximum audio input frequency is 6 kilohertz. Okay, the maximum audio input frequency is 6 kilohertz. The minimum sampling rate required is. So we have to find out the sampling frequency. Audio input frequency is given. We have to calculate the minimum sampling frequency. So in the PCM, F del is given. It is, we have to calculate the F del. It is nothing but 2 into F max. It means that sampling frequency we have to calculate. 2 into F max is given as 6 kilohertz. Therefore, so sampling frequency is 12 kilohertz. So if we know the formula, we can easily calculate the value. So we have to remember the formulas. So the answer is option C, 12 kilohertz. FSK is mostly used in, FSK is nothing but frequency shift keying, is mostly used in telephony. FSK is mostly used in telephony. Radio transmission is option A, telegraphy, telephony, and none of these. So among these options, FSK is mostly used in telephony. Then the last question, which one of the following is used in TV broadcast? In TV broadcast, okay, in television, video uses VSB amplitude modulation, audio uses frequency modulation. Therefore, the answer is, see the options, DSB, SC, DSB, SSB, VSB transmission. So the answer is option D. VSB transmission is used in television broadcast. Press subscribe button below this video.